Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you tired of spending your nights juggling a dozen different ad managers? Switching between Facebook, then Google, then TikTok, trying to figure out what's actually working while your budget just disappears? It's a massive headache. What if you could have one simple dashboard to manage all of it? And what if a smart AI could write all your ad copy, create your images, and automatically optimize your campaigns for you? Well, that's exactly what we're looking at today. This is my full review and demo of AdvertMate, a brand new tool that promises to do just that. It's designed to let you launch profitable ad campaigns across 8 major platforms in minutes, with zero experience needed. So is it worth the hype? We're about to find out. Make sure to stay until the end of this review, as I will also show you the AdvertMate demo and OTOs to give you an overview of what you will get with each upgrade. Plus, I have some exclusive bonuses if you purchase AdvertMate through my referral link below. Now let's see AdvertMate in action.
So here, all we need to do is connect down the bottom here, the Google, Facebook, Instagram, Bing, TikTok, or LinkedIn accounts, ad managers once. They're all free to sign up to. Click it here, hit connect, and then you never need to log into those ads managers again. Then we describe our product, business, or brand. I said I want to create an ad to sell my e-com, my affiliate product, my local business, my offline product, promote my parents' company, run ads to a local shop, whatever it may be. I might say I want to create ads selling my e-commerce teeth whitening strips from AliExpress or drop shipped or something like that. The goal is to make sales. I'm going to hit generate. It's going to go out and generate the ad real quick here. And it's going to go ahead and show me the best type of ads I should be running on what platforms. So many different types of ads out there. If you choose the wrong type of ad, you might be completely wasting your money. AdvertMate ensures that does not happen. And it says that Instagram lead ads or TikTok conversion ads are the two best types to run. Obviously, teeth whitening is a bit of a vanity product, and Instagram and TikTok are all about the looks. So we can also go and choose a bunch of over 100 other ad variations too. We'll choose Instagram lead ads here. Click on that, hit generate, and it's going to then pull up the Instagram ads manager. Same as if we did it with the TikTok here, it would pull up the TikTok ads manager. And again, they are all built into AdvertMate. So it's going to generate our ad, give us an example text, example imagery, and we can go ahead and get started from here. Brightening your smile effortlessly with our top-rated teeth whitening strips designed to fit seamlessly, blah, blah, blah. And you can see this is an example. Now, if I put more information in about my actual business, it would have then used my business name and whatnot too. So I'm going to do example. This is setting up the actual the actual project itself, so I can add as many teeth whitening ads to this actual project to verse each other and to find the best winners if I use this ad to target multiple different niches. Now you can see here I don't even need to write the ads. It's written multiple headlines with multiple sales copies that has been proven to convert. AdvertMate has studied over 6 billion ads and it studies ads every single day, and including winning ads, to constantly be ahead of the game. So you don't need to learn sales copy. It knows what works. Down here we can add in different images. Up here is going to be our targeting. It tells us who to target: health and beauty and wellness online shoppers in the USA and Canada, English speakers 18 to 45. Add the target audience here. All we need to do is copy that information into here. So United States, and we're going to hit that. We've got United States down here, and then you can see the other locations we can advertise on: Facebook and Messenger, because Instagram is owned by Meta. You can target people based on what mobile phone they use, or if they're on desktop, you can target people based on interest as well. Up here under interests, we can target people that are when their anniversaries are, if they've just got married, if they've made a purchase online. We can target people by interest as well. Say, for example, they might be interested in the beauty niche. Boom, it'll done, and it'll show us the audience up here. We've now got that all set up. Click out, and we can go publish ad. It'll publish it right away. But say I wanted to change the imagery, what I can do down here is I can come down, choose a different image, and give me a second. All right, I went in and I created this image here on the right as a little surprise, speeded ad teeth whitening example, which is what we did just now. I hit publish ad, that ad goes out to Instagram, and I just simply do that again for the TikTok version that it suggested as well. And it's going to then split test every description with every different primary text, every different headline, and it will then start to make sales and optimize for what ads are performing the best. So you're only spending money on ads that work and convert.
Now let's talk about AdvertMate front end and OTOs to give you an overview of what you will get with each upgrade. AdvertMate front end price $47,777 one time. Note, this is the core software known as the front end offer. The core offering of AdvertMate is an all-in-one ad creation and management tool. This platform allows users to effortlessly design, launch, and optimize high-converting ads across 8 major ad networks including Facebook, Google, TikTok, and LinkedIn. With integrated AI for copywriting, visual content, targeting, and real-time performance tracking, it's the essential foundation for anyone looking to streamline and enhance their advertising efforts. OTO1 AdvertMate Template Club and Optimization Suite price $67 monthly. It includes 10x conversions instantly with our Template Hub access. Get access to our growing library of plug-and-play image templates built for Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and more, built from viewing over 6 billion ad visuals, data points, and more to give you the ultimate scroll-stopping visual. Each one is fully editable to match your brand, business, or offer. Just drag, drop, customize, and post. AI split test engine. Generate instant variations of your ads with alternate angles, tones, and hooks. Trained on real Meta and TikTok ad data. No guessing, just proven insights guiding your tests. Image editor plus visual builder. Design high-converting visuals directly inside AdvertMate. No Canva, no designers, just drag, drop, and launch beautiful creatives in minutes with our fully integrated ad builder. Unlimited AI ad generation. Create full ad sets. Text plus image, tailored to your niche and goals, in the perfect format for each platform, so you'll never run out of content again. AI image ad generator. Say goodbye to expensive designers and low-performing creatives. AdvertMate's AI image ad generator empowers you to create attention-grabbing, platform-ready visuals that match your ad goals and niche in just a few clicks. AdvertMate AI Optimizer. This is your secret weapon. The optimizer scans all your live ads, identifies your winners, and automatically shifts budget to what works, saving you money and driving higher ROI. Important note, please note that to purchase the OTOs, you must first purchase the core AdvertMate front-end software. The OTOs will not work without this initial purchase, as there is no bundle deal available. OTO2, AdvertMate VIP training, price $67 to one time. Gain exclusive access to a comprehensive 6-week training program led by Luke McGuire covering advanced targeting strategies, learn to effectively target your desired audience, high-converting ad formulas, discover proven ad creation techniques, real case studies and student results, analyze real-world examples of successful ad campaigns. OTO3 AdvertMate White Label, price $297 one time. This add-on provides a white label license, allowing users to rebrand and resell AdvertMate as their own product. It includes full commercial rights, client management access, and customizable branding options. Ideal for freelancers, agency owners, or entrepreneurs looking to launch their own ad tech solution, this OTO transforms AdvertMate into a revenue-generating business. Wait, before you grab AdvertMate, I've got something special just for you. When you purchase AdvertMate through my referral link below, you'll get exclusive bonuses at no extra cost, designed to help you get even more out of your purchase. Here's what you'll unlock. Alright, so there you have it. That was a complete walkthrough of AdvertMate, from the AI ad creation to the unified dashboard. So, what's my final verdict? If you're a small business owner, an affiliate marketer, or an agency that feels like you're drowning in different ad platforms, I think this is a genuine game changer. It absolutely delivers on its core promise to save you a massive amount of time and simplify your entire advertising process. The biggest pro, without a doubt, is getting to manage everything from that one central hub and letting the AI handle the optimization. Now, as we discussed, it's not perfect, and we covered those cons. But for the right person who wants to stop juggling platforms and just focus on results, the value here is huge. So, if you're ready to try this out and claim all of those exclusive bonuses I showed you earlier, I've put a special link for you right at the top of the description below. That's the only way to get my bonus pack. And finally, if this review helped you out, please do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. I have a question for you. Would you trust AI to manage your ad campaigns? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.